Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. In this video, I will share some of the amazing WhatsApp tricks. Let's begin. Open your WhatsApp application. Let's see trick number 1. Trick 1 is italic font. How to apply italic format to the text. For italic text, add underscore on both the side of the text. Let's see. For example, type text italic, add underscore at the beginning and end of the text. Click on Send option. In this way, you can apply italic format to the text. Now let's see trick number 2. Trick 2 is bold font. To apply bold font, type your text and add asterisk on both the side of the text, at the beginning and at the end. This is bold text. Let's see trick number 3 is Monospace font. For Monospace font, add 3 backticks on the beginning and end of the text. Let's see Monospace font. For this, use this backtick option. Use this backticks. This is Monospace font you can use in WhatsApp messaging. Now let's see trick number 4, strike through font. For this, add tilde sign on the beginning and at the end of the text. Type text This is strike through font. Let's see trick number 5, combined font. You can make the same text bold, italic, and even change its font to strike through. To do so, enclose the text in the loop symbols. Now let's see example. Use asterisk sign. Next is use tilde sign and use underscore. Use symbols in loop. Add them at the beginning and at the end also. And in this way you can apply bold, italic and strike through format together to the text. If you only want bold and italic, then only use 2 symbols. Number 1 is asterisk and number 2 is underscore. Type your text. In this way, you can use bold and italic format to the text. These are all the tricks you can use in WhatsApp messaging. If you learned from this video, hit the subscribe button, like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.